Hello, everyone, and welcome to Salesforce Financial Cloud Tips and Tricks. I'm Devashish Ghoshal, and I'm really thrilled to have you over here. This channel is all about giving you quick, actionable tips and tricks to enhance your end customer experience in Salesforce Financial Cloud. If you're looking to make the most out of Salesforce Financial Cloud, you're in the right place. In each short video, I'll share the most relevant insights and best practices from my real world experience. You'll find practical solutions, innovative ideas, and ways to streamline your workflows, all designed to help you get the best results for your clients. In each video, I'll be showcasing bite-sized tips and tricks, quick solutions to common challenges, enhancements for end customer experiences, and I'll be sharing references to trailheads and help articles. I won't be repeating what you can find in Salesforce provided articles. Instead, I'll provide you valuable trailheads and resources for deeper dive while focusing on unique practical advice which you won't find anywhere else. So if you're ready to alleviate your Salesforce Financial Cloud skills and deliver outstanding experiences for your customers, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share these tips and tricks with you. See you in the next video. Thank you.